Are you trying to send a voice message on WhatsApp, but keep seeing the dreaded, "Can't set up the recorder now, please try again later" error? Don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick and simple solution to get your voice recorder working again. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Check your microphone permissions. The first thing you need to check is whether WhatsApp has permission to access your microphone. Without it, the app won't be able to record voice messages. Clear WhatsApp cache. If restarting doesn't work, try clearing the app's cache. This removes temporary data that could be causing the issue. Step 4. Update WhatsApp. Another reason you might be seeing this error is that your WhatsApp app is outdated. Make sure you're running the latest version. Step 5. Free up storage space. Low storage on your device can also cause this problem. If your phone is running out of space, it may struggle to record voice messages. Step 6. Reinstall WhatsApp if nothing else works. If you've tried everything and it's still not working, you can try uninstalling and reinstalling WhatsApp. But first, make sure you back up your chats. And that's it. I hope one of these steps helped you fix the voice recorder error on WhatsApp. If this video solved your problem, hit the like button and subscribe to NPL Technical for more quick fixes and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.